She's following stuff all over the place, Scott. I mean, her eyes are everywhere.
Is somebody wide awake tonight? Hi, Erin. Give me a wave.
Hi, buddy.
She's got the hiccups. Erin, looking around? Hiccups. She is finding her new surroundings tonight. Erin, are you excited for your photo shoot tomorrow? Do you have to get your beauty rest tonight? What are your beauty secrets? Tell me. Naturally beautiful? Absolutely, I agree with you on that one. It's nice to have your father's looks, correct? I know, it's tough. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow, Erin. 9 a.m. sharp. It's photo shoot time.